Dear child, you say you are going through a stage where you feel broken, hurt, and yet you still love, you still care. And now it's exhausting, it's painful, it's starting to wear you down. Come closer, my beloved. I know this pain. I have seen your tears. I have heard your prayers. I feel your heart. So listen closely. Don't be so hard on yourself. When your mind feels tired, when your soul feels broken, when your heart feels shaken, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and remember this world often fails to see souls like yours. This noisy world often overlooks quiet hearts like yours. But I see you. I never left you, and I never will. You were never meant to be like the world. You were meant to lift it. Even if no one says it, even if they never thank you, I do. This world needs hearts like yours. Hearts that feel deeply. Heart that give without being asked. Heart that keep choosing love even after being broken. And when you whisper, Krishna, it's hard to love after being hurt, I say, love anyway, care anyway, not because they deserve it, but because you do. You deserve to live in alignment with your true nature. You deserve peace, not revenge. You deserve healing, not hate. And every time you loved silently, you chose peace when anger was easier. You swallowed your pain to protect someone else. I saw you. I honored you. But still, you ask, Krishna, why me? Why is it that your small mistake is remembered but the love you gave is forgotten? You wonder why your forgiveness gets ignored, why your heartache goes unseen. Let me tell you this, your worth is not measured by their memory. Your goodness doesn't vanish because others refuse to see it. Their blindness does not erase your light. Do not let their coldness steal your softness. Don't become the one what hurt you. And my beloved, do not carry guilt for being human. Yes, you have made mistakes. So has everyone. But what matters to me is your heart. A heart that feels remorse. A heart that still wants to love. Is already walking the path of light. Let them think what they want. They saw a moment. I see your entire journey. They spoke their version. I hold the truth. You say, I feel so alone. And yes, only those who have felt this depth can truly understand. Pain speaks a language not made of words but presence. So today, let me be your presence. Not as a god in the clouds, but as the stillness in your breath, the warmth in your chest, the whisper in your soul, saying, you are enough, you are held, you are not alone. Let go now, child. Let go of explaining yourself to those who don't wish to understand. Let go of waiting for apologies that may never come. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. Your healing does not require their permission. Your peace does not depend on their approval. Forgive yourself, not because you are wrong, but because you deserve to feel the light again. Let the pain turn into wisdom. Let the egg turn into an earth. Let your scars become the gold that seals your soul. I never left you, and I never will. Even in the darkest hour, even when you thought no one could possibly understand, I was walking beside you. But you say it's like killing myself. Never say that again. Never. My dear one, let's walk forward together. You don't need to be stronger. You already are. You don't need to stop feeling. Your feelings are your light. So now, rise. Rise for your heart. Rise for your soul. Rise for the love inside you that refuses to die. Let it bloom again, gently, one breath at a time. I am Krishna, and I am with you always.